My name is Riedy. Together with my friend and business partner Kevin Reilly, I co-own Blue Oak Construction Company. Kevin and I have both been in the industry for a little over 10 years. Doing custom renovation, remodeling, we'll take a home from any stage, whether it be a complete gut job or just an addition. As long as I've been using tape, I've been using duct tape. Probably about a year ago, Kevin and I went to a hardware store and we were looking to pick up some duct tape, and we saw T-Rex tape on the shelves. When we first used T-Rex tape, we thought it really adhered to lots of different surfaces. Super strong and super adhesive. It's still easy to tear and easy to work with. Here we're doing a complete remodel in the inside on about a 100-year-old farmhouse. Yeah, when you're doing one of these, complete gut jobs on a home, there's times when there's lots of different trades, on the job site, inside the home, power tools going at the same time, and sometimes it can get a little crazy with all the cords running everywhere. The good solution that Kevin and I found was, using T-Rex tape just to tape those wires down to the floor, tape them, over in the corner or against the wall and get them out of people's way. T-Rex tape really does well in holding to those surfaces. We don't have to vacuum first. We don't have to, broom first. One day we were trying to clean the job site at the end of the day, and our shop vac hose got a little rip in it. So we used T-Rex tape to patch the hole in the hose, and the vacuum ended up working fine for the whole rest of the day. Definitely the best tape that I've used. Very strong, adhesive, very easy to work with. T-Rex tape is something that I keep in my toolbox every day.